Imagine a bird with wings wider than a small airplane, ruling the open ocean. Far from land, where the ocean seems to stretch forever, lives of one of the greatest travelers on earth, the wandering albatross. This magnificent seabird is famous for having the largest wingspan of any living bird, reaching up to 3.5 meters, wider than many small airplanes. With these enormous wings, the wandering albatross barely needs to flap. Instead, it uses a skill called dynamic soaring, riding ocean winds to glide effortlessly for hours. In a single journey, it can travel thousands of kilometers, cycling the Southern Ocean and sometimes crossing the globe in just weeks. The wandering albatross spend most of their lives at sea, only coming to land to breed on remote islands in the southern hemisphere. The wandering albatross, they form long life pairs. Watch out for more interesting content and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can turn on the notification button.